What are the deadliest hazards on construction sites? Construction sites are among the most hazardous workplaces in the country, and Lawrence County is no exception. From small residential builds to large projects like the Stonecrest Business Park in New Beaver Borough, workers face life-threatening hazards every day. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration lists 4 types of incidents: falls, struck by accidents, electrocutions, and caught between events, that account for nearly 2/3 of all construction deaths nationwide. This law firm explains each hazard and the safety requirements under Pennsylvania law. Pennsylvania law follows federal OSHA standards and adds its own requirements to protect workers. Employers must provide fall protection, guard machinery, ensure electrical safety, and train workers. Violation fines can reach $156,259. Fall protection is mandatory at heights of 6 feet or more, and employers must provide guardrails, safety nets, or personal fall arrest systems and conduct regular inspections. Temporary power must be protected by ground fault circuit interrupters, and electrical work must follow strict lockout and tagout procedures. Injured workers have 120 days to report the injury and can receive medical and wage benefits through workers' compensation. Employers must provide a claim form within 7 days. Besides workers' compensation, injured workers may file third-party claims against property owners, equipment manufacturers, or contractors when negligence contributes to an accident. The deadliest hazards on construction sites are falls, struck by incidents, electrocutions, and caught between accidents. These fatal 4 killed 688 workers in 2023, accounting for 64% of all construction deaths. Falls alone killed 421 workers that year, nearly 39% of the total. A fall from just 10 feet can cause permanent paralysis or death, and most fatal falls occur between 6 and 30 feet. Ladders and scaffolding cause many deaths when guardrails are missing, safety harnesses are not used, or structures collapse. Pennsylvania requires guardrails, safety nets, or personal fall arrest systems at 6 feet or more, and falls often result in broken bones, spinal cord damage, and traumatic brain injuries. Struck by accidents involve falling tools, swinging loads, or moving vehicles. Wearing ANSI-approved hard hats and high-visibility vests helps operators see nearby workers, and securing materials with tow boards, tool lanyards, and debris nets can prevent many of these deaths. Electrocutions result from contact with overhead power lines or faulty wiring. Even 50 volts can stop the heart. Ground fault circuit interrupters are required on temporary power, and electrical circuits must be de-energized and tested before use. Workers should maintain at least a 10-foot clearance from power lines and treat every line as live. Caught between accidents occur when workers are crushed by machinery or trench collapses. Trenches deeper than 5 feet require cave-in protection and daily inspections, and heavy equipment must have guards, backup alarms, and seatbelts to prevent rollovers. An injured worker must report the injury within 120 days or risk losing benefits. Workers' compensation covers medical treatment and wage replacement and is a no-fault system. Employers must supply a claim form within 7 days. A third-party claim may be filed against a negligent property owner, equipment manufacturer, or contractor for damages beyond workers' compensation, such as pain and suffering or permanent disability. To support a claim, document the hazard, collect witness information, keep medical records, and organize accident reports and bills. Claims are overseen by the Pennsylvania Bureau of Workers' Compensation, and the Workers' Compensation Appeal Board handles disputes. A workers' compensation lawyer can help you meet these deadlines and navigate complex paperwork. Construction accidents often happen because safety rules are ignored or equipment is poorly maintained. When employers, contractors, or manufacturers cut corners, workers pay with their health and livelihoods. At Luxenberg Garbett Kelly George, P.C., workers' compensation lawyers Lawrence M. Kelly and Joseph A. George have represented injured workers for decades. Attorney Lawrence M. Kelly is nationally recognized for his dedication to injured workers, and Attorney Joseph A. George holds an AV Preeminent rating and helps clients recover after serious workplace injuries. This law firm stands up for injured workers throughout Western Pennsylvania. You can reach the firm at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, United States, or call 724-658-8535.